going there, you take my permission. Even if you have money, even if they permit, even if you have the visa, take my permission.
Principal exams are hope you all must be knowing that exam dates are coming.
You
And
see, your timetable has been announced 3 days after you have an exam. So I request you, please, everybody, to take 1 or 2 books and start studying. Because I think it will be helpful to you. Papa goes, oh, okay, now I can do the book.
കുറെ ആക്ഷൻസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ അയാളൊക്കെ തളകി
നമ്മളുടെ ആനന്ദിനെ വിളിച്ചത് അറിയാം. There are some golden people here. Internal midst. Although the whole class is failing, some golden people didn't attend at all. അപ്പൊ അതിന് പറഞ്ഞു അനന്തിനെ വിളിച്ചു. Anand, stand up. Roll number 10. Who is this? You were not at all present in any of the exams. No, sir, I was present in 2 exams. And in that you are passing with flying colors. And in that you are passing with flying colors.
അത് പോയി
എന്ത് പറ്റി?
എന്ത് പറ്റി?
നല്ല രസമായിരുന്നു.